How to change BankID password. Changing the password for BankID may vary depending on different country. So go to the official website of BankID. Log in to your BankID account using your information. Look for options such as account setting or profile. Within the account settings or profile section, search for an option related to changing your password. This might be labeled as Change Password or similar. Follow the instructions on the screen to enter your current password and then create a new one. Some providers may require you to confirm the new password. After entering and confirming the new password, make sure to save or submit the changes. For security purposes, log out of your BankID account and log back in using the new password. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.